Hi there, who's out there today? I have these really cute earrings to show you, designed by my partner in crime here at the BeadSmith, Leslie A. Pope. These beads, these earrings I should say, use 3-cut 2-0 beads, so you can see they're busy. They're big, and can you see the cuts, how they're faceted? It just gives them a lot of extra sparkle. So we're going to use the 2-0 beads, the 3-cut 2-0s, and we're elevating things by bringing in the Cymbal metal fashion elements. I'm using components that were actually designed originally to go with silky beads, but this project is a perfect example to show you how you can use the Cymbal elements for things other than what their original design was for. That's how versatile the Cymbal metal fashion elements are. So hello Lynn, thanks for tuning in. And by the way, if anybody has any questions while this is going on, please don't hesitate. I'm watching all the messages. So Lynn and everybody else who's watching, I just want to give people a chance to tune in. In the meantime, I'll give you some more close-up views of these really cute earrings. And when I say you can make these in 5 minutes, you really can. Once you get through it once, you'll say, oh, and you'll want to make more. Hey, there's Leslie Pope. These are great, Leslie. I love these earrings, and I'm just so happy to be able to show everybody how fast and easy they are to make, how elegant. Let's see, we have Rita. Hi, Rita. Maria, another partner in crime. Thanks for joining in. So you're going to need, for these earrings, for each earring, you're going to need 6 of the 2-0 3-cut beads, pair of ear wires. You're going to need 2 of the ferro silky cymbals, which are these. They are cute, Lynn, aren't they? I think so too. And actually elegant. So cute and elegant, that goes together, right? So you're going to need 2 of the ferros. And then you're going to need 2 of the calivias, which are like half a silky. And they just work out so well. This is really an ingenious design from Leslie Pope. Hello everybody. Everybody's joining in on this lovely Wednesday afternoon. You are also going to need some fine chain, and the chain has to have big enough links to be able to get a jump ring through, but otherwise you want them to be very fluid and loose and dangly. And I'm using silver because I'm using the silver cymbal components. Exactly, Lynn. So you're going to need, for each earring, you're going to need 6 of the 3-cut 2-0s. You're going to need the calivia and the ferro cymbal fashion elements. I have 3 pieces of chain, and you know, for these, they don't all need to be the same length. I have 2 pieces that are 2 inches and 1 piece that's about 1.5 inches, and they're going to loop up to go onto the jump ring, which you'll see. You need the pair of earrings. You need some 6-pound fire line, a needle or 2, your thread zapper or scissors, and size 11 seed beads, which I have here in galvanized silver. So I'd say we could probably get started. Everybody ready? Yes. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is string my 6 2-aughts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to bring it down and leave a little bit of a tail. I already have my needle strung on. And I'm going to go back up just 3 of them. So you're going to pull it around so they sit side by side. And then I'm going to go down the other 3. And I'm going to knot. Hi Hi, Laurie. Laurie's all ready. And I'm going to knot my thread to make 2 columns of those 2-aught beads. And when I get a little more beadwork done, I'm going to weave in my end. Okay. Now I'm going to sew through 1 column. Maria says she loves these earrings. Me too. Can't you picture them in all different colors? So here I have my 2 columns. And you can see like the earring's just about half done now. I'm going to pick up 2 11s and my ferro cymbal finding, and the hole goes this way. So I have 2 11s and I'm going to sew through, and I'm going to pick up 2 more 11s, and I'm going to go down the other column of the 2-aughts. So you can see how fast this is coming together. Now I'm going to pick up 2 more size 11s, and I'm going to pick up my other cymbal finding, which is the Calivia, and I want to make sure when I attach this that the little loop is hanging down, because that's where I'm going to attach my chain. So I'm going to go through like this. Make sure that my loop is facing down. Pick up 2 more 11s. And sew back through existing thread paths again. And I'm going to go all the way through everything again. Yes, Lynn, they really are 5-minute earrings, and I'm taking my time because I want you to see what I'm doing. So my thread is at the top. I'm going to go through these 11s, through the cymbal at the top, back down. What I'm doing is I'm sewing through to be able to meet my tail thread with my working thread. So there it is. Now I'm going to knot my working thread and tail just in a hitch, a square knot. Come on. 1, 2, that's your square knot. Just like that. Ta-da! Now I'm just going to sew the ends back in and trim them off. So I did 1, I'll bring my thread zapper in. Did the other one. Right back through existing thread paths. Trim that up. Zap that little end off. Now I'm ready to add my chain dangles. So the way this happens is you take your jump ring, and you're going to have 2 pairs of pliers, chain nose, flat nose. Oops, I brought my wire snip in instead. I'm just going to use my fingers. You're going to open up the jump ring. Remember, you always want to open it this way, not this way. So I have my jump ring, and I'm going to loop each chain from both ends through the last link. So this is why you need to make sure, even though your chain is fine, so it has a nice little drape to it, you want to make sure that it fits over your jump ring. And it doesn't matter in what order you put them, because it's going to be a nice organic drape when your chain hangs from the earring. So there's one end and another end. Hi Doris, thanks for watching. All right, the last of the 3. And of course there's a lot of variables you could do here too if you want to attach longer lengths or put a little bauble on the end. Now I have all my 3 chains on my jump ring, and I'm going to loop it through that bottom cymbal component, close it up, and put your ear wire on. So I'm just going to open my ball end head pin ear wire, string my earring on there. Here we go. Close that up. How'd I do, Lynn? Was that under 5 minutes? Look how cute that is. And look how much the cymbal components add to the glass beads. Of course, there's a nice little sparkle, like I said, with the 3-cut 2/0 or mixed metals. That's right, Lynn. And that, there you go. You can see I have a couple pair of earrings. Leslie Pope made a pair, and I just made a pair. I'm pretty sure that you guys could watch this again and definitely be able to make these. What do you think? Woohoo! A cut above earrings designed by Leslie A. Pope from the BeadSmith. Thanks, Laurie. Very speedy indeed. Good job, Team Leslie. Woo! So you can find these beads, cymbal, fashion elements, and other quality tools and supplies from the BeadSmith at your favorite bead reseller. Bye! We love beads.